Hello everyone, I'm George, and today we're going to learn how to use have got. I've got a guitar. You've got a guitar. I've got a guitar too. Aha! He's got a guitar. And she's got a guitar. We've got guitars. And they've got guitars. That sounds lovely. Have got means the same as have, but have got is more informal and is more common in British English. When we use have got with a pronoun, we often use a contraction. For example, I have got a book becomes I've got a book. With he, she and it, have becomes has, and we also use a contraction. For example, she has got long hair becomes she's got long hair. To make a negative sentence, use have plus not plus got. For example, I haven't got blonde hair. You haven't got brown hair. They haven't got black hair. Haven't is have not together. When using he, she or it, we use hasn't. For example, she hasn't got blonde hair. But how can we make a question? Have I got something on my face? Yes, you've got honey mustard on your face. Have you got any tissues? No. Has she got any tissues? No. Have they got any tissues? No. What am I going to do? And that's it for today's lesson. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye!